Hello, welcome back again to my channel, Susan Gold TV. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you on how I made my daughter this easy hairstyle using Brazilian wool. So this color of the hair I'm using now, she's the one that chooses. So before we start, I'm going to first of all show you how I part this hair. I decided to just part everything. So first I cut back into two, then I start just cross it. Very easy how to easy just part hair. So this way I finish parting everything and I just use rubber band to hold it, and this hairstyle is very easy to go, guys. So the best hairstyle we need to be making for our kids is easy hairstyle, but very beautiful though, because they get tired on time. Even if the hair is pinning them or not, they get tired because they want to play. You keep it there in one place, it's as if you are and holding them hostage in one place. You understand what I mean? So guys, to get this easy hairstyle, you first of all cut the hair into two, then just do it cross. So this is how I part this hair, and it's very easy to follow. She also choose the hair color she wants, because if you don't do the color they want for them, they'll start angry, they will not stay calm. So I always ask them the kind of color they want me to make for them. So whatever color they want, that's what I make for them. It is your first time coming across Susan Gold TV. Thank you so much for stopping by. I do really appreciate your support, and do please subscribe to our YouTube channel and also turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified whenever we drop a new video. So in this channel we are doing everything that has to do with hair, both wigs and all. So our returning subscriber, I just want to use this opportunity to say thank you so much for your endless support. We do really appreciate your effort for staying connected to our channel. I will also ask to please keep supporting us. So guys, after I part this hair this way, just part it, and the back I cut it into two before I start cutting it into four, which is the back. I'm making eight back. Then front, what I do, I have to cut them into square parts, because the back and the front, they are not the same. So I cut them into square parts, and it's four. So those four, whenever you want to just cut it cross. When you cross it, you get your exactly the cut you want. So I decided to explain it this way so that in case you can follow it easy. So see how I cut it now into four front, which is the front. After I cut out the back, I cut the front into four. So what you do, from the edge to the other side, make sure the comb come out from the other side. So when you finish lining it up that way, you take the other side too. You will see you get the part so perfect without you stressing yourself, because I know a lot of people are fighting to get like this part, how to get it well. So this is how you do it. Cut it into square parts. Then when you want to cut it, just as if you want to do X, just cut it that way and you get your style perfectly. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much, and enjoy the music.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm tired of yesterday. 'Cause I don't wanna, 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 I fell, where my demons dwell. My own little nightmare, I call it hell. Oh well, it's time to get back up, climbing and climbing. I'm done with this ride, is what I tell myself, so I could feel something else. Yeah, I guess I had my bad days, but it doesn't mean I lost my style. Darling, where were you when my heart was on the ground? I thought time would prove that you would stick around. I guess time stands still, a king without his crown. Now I'm breaking, you're faking, girl. You never made a sound. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm tired yesterday.
There's not a single day that passes without you on my mind. Not even 1 minute can end up before you come around. I yearn for the days when I see your face here before me. I long for the times you held me in your arms. Whoa. I wish that you were here to give me everything I want, but I know that life's unfair and we can't always have it. There's not a single day that passes, not even 1 minute can end up. I yearn for the days when I see your face here before me. I yearn for the times you held me in your arms. Whoa. I wish that you were here.